Alright, today I'm going to plant some cabbage, turnip greens, and broccoli. I've got some pumpkin planted here, and the pumpkin had crossed over to the cantaloupe, and the cantaloupe had died because of the heat. We're down here in South Carolina and it gets kind of hot. So I pulled up the cantaloupe. I got these 3 lonely survivors. I don't know if they're going to be fittable to eat. Maybe one of them will. But the pumpkin I just kind of lifted up. They're all coming out of one spot together over here. They're all coming out of right here. And I lifted them up, moved them around. I need to sit them down a little more gingerly so that they're not all crossed up on each other, obviously. But what I did was I made a grid. I've got 8x4 boxes here. And I used an old broom handle and a measuring tape, and I measured out the 8x4 squares and made a little mark with my little broomstick. And each one of these things that I'm planting says it needs about a foot of space to grow in and cultivate properly. So I'm going to do half the box here in turnip greens and cabbage, and I'm going to plant broccoli over here in these little squares, and we'll see what happens.